Top 8 reasons why you should eat oatmeal every day. Oats. They are a powerhouse of nutrition and has been a popular choice amongst breakfast items for many decades now. The biggest cultivators of oats are the US, Poland, Germany, and Russia. Oatmeal contains a wide array of vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and is a good source of protein, complex carbohydrates, and iron. When consumed on a regular basis, oats can help prevent a range of ailments. Boost immune system. The unique fiber in oatmeal called beta-glucan also has been shown to help neutrophils travel to the site of an infection more quickly, and it also enhances their ability to eliminate the bacteria quickly. Prevent diabetes. Diabetes affects just about every organ in the body and needs to be controlled. A 2006 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that oatmeal produces a low glycemic response, which is associated with less insulin resistance and a lower prevalence of type 2 diabetes. Help in weight management. Oatmeal contains soluble fiber which stays in the stomach longer and helps you feel fuller, longer. This can prevent overeating later on in the day, which may help you maintain a healthy weight. Prevents cancer. Oatmeal contains intralactone, a lignin with phytochemical properties that behaves like an antioxidant and helps prevent and fight cancer. Antioxidants neutralize the free radicals caused by our environment that damage DNA cells and may lead to cancer. Treats constipation. Oatmeal is a good source of dietary fiber. The presence of dietary fiber makes it ideal to overcome constipation by stimulating the digestive process and moving food through the smooth muscles of the intestinal tract. Gluten-free. Research has shown adding gluten-free oats to diet can help to provide the recommended daily fiber intake for individuals with celiac disease. The addition of oats to a gluten-free diet can also increase antioxidant levels and enhance nutritional values. Boost energy. It is one of the best sources of energy, which is why we recommend eating it first thing in the morning or before midday, especially for people that work many hours out of the home or have to study for an exam. Reduces hypertension. If you suffer from high blood pressure, a daily dose of oats will help you reduce it along with other complications that it can lead to. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share.